All right, so I did not realize it's been a minute since I've been up here because, like I said, I haven't had to come up here for a while, and I kind of forgot the condition that I left it in, and I need to go in there and reorganize. And as soon as I walked in there, I had my bad. As soon as I went in there, I realized I gotta use the bathroom. There's no bathroom in there, unfortunately. So I need to go use the bathroom. I am really funny about using public restrooms. Like, if it's not a QT gas station, I don't really want to use it. So, unfortunately, because there is no QT around here, I'm actually going to go home, use the bathroom, but it's going to work in my favor anyways because I need to go home and eat. Also, I need to change my shirt because I was getting hot, and I don't know if I was getting hot because my anxiety was getting high, because I realized that I have so much that I need to do. Like, I need to organize, I need to set up the table, I need to put the inventory in, and it's just a lot, and it's a little overwhelming. However, when my anxiety starts to rise, I start to sweat and get all those symptoms of anxiety. So if I'm going to be done with all of that, then this is not the right outfit. I need a t-shirt. So I'm going to go home, put on a t-shirt, because I'm not going to be able to function in this sweatshirt because it's extremely hot in there. And it's not hot, it's like room temperature, but because I'm overthinking things, it's hot. And then it is climate controlled, so they do have the heat on. But this is just not workable conditions for me. So I'm going to go home, change my clothes, and come back. But I think whatever I change into, that's what I'm going to wear to the gym. So as soon as I leave from here, I can go straight to the gym and work out. And it'll be a win-win all the way around the border. But there's a lot that I have to do in there. So, all right. See you later. Bye. Okay, so we're about to just start doing some organization in here. And let me just say, that little thing right there, that countertop display, is not light. It is super heavy. And I'm trying to lift it above my head, and everything is falling off of it. It was horrible. But I got it up there. Almost died, but I got it up there. Alright, so we are getting somewhere here. I have gotten it somewhat organized. I don't know if this is how I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to rock with it for now. I've got to do something better than this, but at least I got the ring light up. So, yeah. But I almost forgot to tell y'all about the ring light. I got it from Walmart, and they had a sale. It was like $20, and normally it's $40, and I got it for $20. Whoop, whoop. So I made it come up. No, I think I got it for $15. It was a crazy deal that they had, and I just had to get it. So now we have lights. So that was Nevaeh photo bombing me, or audio bombing me, while I was trying to do a voiceover for this video. I'm tired. I'm not about to re-record that. It's just going to be left in. Okay? did what I came up here to come do, which was to take pictures of the stuff I don't have on the website and count the inventory for stupid squishies. I'm gonna make as many of those cups as I can because Christmas is around upon us. We're gonna be shopping for Christmas gifts. That'll work right there. Use this over here. Okay, so I just got done setting up my shop box so that I can take pictures of inventory that I've been selling at the markets, but I don't have it on my website. I have a ton of inventory that I sell in person, but I just do not have the time to upload it to my website. But I'm trying to get better at that, so that is one of my goals this year, is to get everything on the website. This was also a good time for me to work on my inventory count, making sure that my inventory that I have that I sell in person matches what's on the website. My website and my POS system are all linked together. However, sometimes when I'm in a rush and I'm ringing things up because I have a lot of people in person, I'll know the price of the item and just type it in instead of typing the actual item in, and just put the price in and charge the person, so it throws my inventory count off because it's not pulling it from the actual item, so I have to go back in and adjust it. That is true. That is true. You have to stick to. You would have to stick to a straight budget.
No. Why are we taking this tonight?
Because you want to get that up. That's done tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Well, see, I go inside, but I use the scan and go. So as I'm shopping, I scan it. Hey, how you doing? Hold on, Deshaun. Can I give you a business card?
Yeah.
What you say?
How you got lighting?
Oh, mine's came with a electric socket, but I paid more for it. Yeah. I'm an online boutique. I also sell in person in Dallas, North Carolina.
Okay. gonna give you a reminder too. I'll be right back.
All right, thank you.
What did you sell? Well, I'll be back.
Okay.
So what do you sell? You sell oils and stuff? Hair
Yep.
products?
Hair products.
Oh man.
I have those are already
I was
sold.
looking for a
but,
vendor with hair products for my event tomorrow.
Those right here are already sold, but I can get more. I sell children's toys. I sell adult clothing items, stickers, keychains, lip glosses, accessories, purses,
Well, my
bags.
event is tomorrow, so unless you can be a vendor tomorrow, but it's
Where is
tomorrow.
it at?
It's do you know the Bojangles Call Center?
Mm-hmm.
It's right across on the other side of Lab
Gotcha.
City.
How often do you have events?
Well, this is my big annual event. This is
Mhm.
like a model competition, and then there's vendors. I have a Stellar nominated artist that's going to be performing. I have 101.9 JD and Q1. It's going to be a really amazing event.
You have to give me your information. So you do that one every year?
Yeah, I do at least 3 events a year.
Uh-huh.
But this is the one where I have all the vendors. This is the
Gotcha.
only one because my other ones are brunches. Like I did a Valentine's Day brunch. I'm doing Mother's Day brunch this year. And then I do one in the park. So it's not on this level
Right.
right here.
Right.
Yeah.
How much does it usually cost to vend at your events? I
It's
wouldn't
50,
be able to do it.
yeah, it's
tomorrow.
$50 for one person and
Mhm.
$75 for 2 because they also get to see the main events. Like most vendors don't get this; they're in a vending area.
Mhm.
But they
Right.
don't get to see the entertainment. But,
So if you want to see the entertainment, how much is that one?
well, it's $75 for 2 people and $50 for one person.
Gotcha.
Depends on how many people are at your booth
Gotcha.
or at your table. Yeah.
How many tables can you set up?
It's $50 a table. You know, 'cause
Oh,
you're
per
taking
table.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
gotcha.
setting up space. Yeah.
Because
So if
usually
you
how I
need
do
it-
mine is I set it up. I have a total of 4 tables, and I set it up in a U shape, and then one is in the
Well,
middle.
you would have to pay for 2, so you would probably pay like $100.
$100.
So you have to think about if it would benefit you or not. But my event is like a 4-hour event right now.
Mm-hmm.
So there's no one, like I don't have anybody that's selling the same thing. Like I
Gotcha.
make sure that, so
Right.
that everybody, try to make bank.
Mm-hmm.
But I was looking for hair products and but anyway. Maybe
Yeah.
next time. Just keep me follow me on Instagram.
I will
Yeah.
definitely. So then I know when you're doing it, I can come out.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
But thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too.